Hi, in this video, we will see polymorphism in Java. So what is polymorphism in Java? So polymorphism is the ability by which we can create functions or reference variables which behaves differently in different programming context. Okay, so the ability is that the methods and variables will differ in different way according to the context. That in simple words, it allows us to perform single action in different ways. Okay, single action in different ways. So by taking an example, we'll see all these things. But in theory, so the simple thing is it allows us to perform single action in different ways. So there are two types of polymorphism. So one is, what is that? Compile time polymorphism, that is called static binding or method overloading. So another one is runtime polymorphism, that is called dynamic binding or method overloading. So three names for each. So compile time polymorphism or static binding or method overloading. And the second one is runtime polymorphism or dynamic binding or method overriding. Okay. So what do you mean by compile time polymorphism? This is used to write the program in such a way that flow of control is decided in compile time itself. Okay, flow of the control will be decided in the compile time itself. It is achieving using method overloading. Compile time polymorphism can be achieved using method overloading, and the flow of your program execution will be decided at compile time. Because of that, it is called compile time polymorphism. In method overloading, an object can have two or more methods with the same name. Okay, an object can have two or more methods with the same name, but with their method parameters are different. So method parameters might be different in this scenario. These parameters may be different in two bases. That is, one is parameter type and parameter count. Okay, we are saying the difference in the parameters, the difference will be in the form of parameter type or parameter count. This is called compile time polymorphism. So what is runtime polymorphism? So runtime polymorphism is essentially referred as method overriding. Method overriding is a feature which you get when you implement inheritance in your program. Okay, the method overriding you will get when you have inheritance implemented. Right. Okay. So in our next videos, we will discuss about method overloading and method overriding separately, exclusively on those things. Okay. Here we have seen only theory part of polymorphism. So what could be the possible interview questions from this? What is polymorphism? What is method overloading? What is method overriding? What is the difference between these two? Okay. We will see all these things in our upcoming videos. Method overloading as a separate video, method overriding as a separate video, and the difference between these two things as a separate video we will discuss in our next videos. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you.